In this video, I will show how to unban WhatsApp number. There are several reasons behind the banning of a WhatsApp account, including spamming other users or sending too many messages in a short time. If you think your account was banned by mistake, then do the following. Firstly, open Google Play Store. Search for WhatsApp. If there is any update, then you need to update the WhatsApp app and see if this account cannot use WhatsApp problem is fixed. If there is no update, then go down and tap on Developer Contact. Now, tap on Website, and you will go to WhatsApp's official website. Tap on the menu on the top left to expand it. Tap on Help Center. Now, scroll down and tap on Contact Us. Here, select what WhatsApp app you are using. Now, you need to enter your phone number. Also enter your email address, your phone system, and write the following message. Hi team, I have received the following. This account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam. Please help me to fix this problem. Thanks. I will leave this text in video description. Tap Next Step, scroll down, and send your request. After 4 to 24 hours, you should get a response, and your WhatsApp number will get unbanned and activated. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.